I am mixing it up today. I'm putting fresh mint into my Herbalife Formula One shake. I'm Susan Bowerman, registered dietitian, and the other day I went out into my garden and I saw all this beautiful fresh mint and I thought, I wonder how that would taste in my Herbalife Formula One shake. I tried it, it was great. So let me show you how I did it. I started out with some vanilla soy milk. Now you can use low-fat milk if you like, but we're going to use that. And of course I'm going to throw in a few ice cubes. I always like to do that because it makes my shake just a little bit thicker. And for my Formula One, I'm going to use wild berry flavor. If you have Herbalife strawberry flavor, that would work equally well. So we've got that going. Then I'm going to put in some fresh strawberries. Now, adding fresh fruit to your shake is always great. But what really makes this shake special is that I'm putting in this fresh mint. I'm going to put about 6 or 8 fresh mint leaves right into my shake. And one of the reasons I like to add mint is, of course, for the flavor. It also adds some additional vitamin C. We've got some more vitamin C from the strawberries, and now I'm just putting in even a little bit more with the mint leaves. So we'll go ahead and blend that up. That is beautiful. I think that this is one of my favorite things that I've done lately. And what's nice is that mint goes with a lot of different fruits. You know, oftentimes you put mint into fruit salad, so adding it to strawberries makes sense. This is also really good with pineapple. I've tried it with mango. Let's see. Oh, it's so good. What's nice about that, it gives a nice, fresh, clean flavor to my shake. It's something a little bit new. So, bottoms up.